If you're looking for a spin on the classic hoop earring and you want something that is going to dazzle, then you're going to love this set of twisted hoop earrings that I got from TutuTiara. I'm Gina with WTI, and I love that these are made with lab-grown diamonds. For one thing, that means that these earrings are more budget-friendly, and you're not depleting the land's resources by buying them. These have amazing sparkle, color, and clarity, and the 18-karat rose gold plating over sterling silver just gleams. Plus, it means that these are not going to bother sensitive ears, and they're going to last for a long time without getting tarnished. These have lock clasps on them, and that gives me confidence to be able to wear them in everyday life without worrying that they're going to fall out of my ears and I might lose them. These are extremely well made, and they come beautifully packaged so that you can give them as a gift right after receiving them in the mail. These earrings make me happy every time I put them on. They make me feel girly because of that beautiful rose gold tone. And who doesn't love a little bling in their life? I recommend them, and that's my point of view.